Ada ya? Oke. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hmm. In this, we want in this time we want to explain about administering database in Java. But before the the next the agenda, we want to introduce myself. Say, okay, my name is Panca Dinata, and his name Gus Budi Pratama. Okay, next to the slide two.
Schema. The first thing to do after creating a database is to create schema. We made three schema: schema client, schema staff, and schema transaction. Inside schema client, we have client tabungan and client nasabah. And inside the schema staff, we have staff ketua cabang, staff keamanan, and staff keuangan. Inside schema transaction, we have a transaction.
Okay, how to login? How to login and how to use the user, create the user. Maybe I think maybe I think about this create login. Create login. The name Nanda and the password, and you must enter the password like a number or the alphabet, and the default database used to Bank Kita 2. Why? Uh, we we must create login and the password because if you create login, you must enter the password for the security but and it all the create login you step the next step is the create user Nanda. The create user you must then bring Nanda for login Nanda. The before he has to create login Nanda and the password, but the create user you must the Nanda you must search the name is Nanda for login Nanda and the entering the password with default game client and what is the with default game client. This is the for the access client. Nanda is the client nasabah, and the create login Anhar with the password like times the number one, and but the difference is the what is Anhar login. Anhar is the login staff keamanan, and the default game, the staff keamanan, not the default game client. If the Anhar access to game the client, but if the program is error or not the running, and the Anhar must access the staff keamanan, and the third step create login DP with the password default database Bank Kita times the number the number one and number two. But Dimas, the difference is with default camp staff. This is the staff keuangan, but Anhar is the staff keamanan, and the Devi staff keuangan Dimas to access to the staff keamanan, staff keuangan. If the Devi access to staff keamanan, it's, he doesn't. Next, the slide 4. The slide 4 is the create several client nasabah. Why the create several client nasabah? But because after the create server rules, he must input the outer server rules server client nasabah. Add the member Nanda. Maybe it's the max of for the group client nasabah, max for the group of client staff keamanan, staff keuangan, or staff cabang. The number 2 is create server rules server staff keamanan. Add the member Anhar. Anhar is the staff keamanan, but at and the Anhar at least the staff keamanan, not the staff keuangan or the another. Next to the slide 5. In the slide 5 is the grant. The example, grant permission, object, game name, object name, column. The example from this project is the grant select. Insert on the client nasabah Sananda. What the meaning grant select insert on client nasabah Sananda? Grant select this gives the access for the client nasabah. The name is Nanda. Nanda is the client nasabah. The because the from platform di slide berikutnya di slide sebelumnya itu Nanda list the client nasabah, but when the number 2 when grant select insert on staff keamanan to Anhar. Grant select this grant select gives the access to staff keamanan. The name is Anhar or another plan, but Anhar gives the access for the access staff keamanan not to another access, and the grant select insert on staff ketua cabang to Dendi just the access to Dendi get the access to the wait. Dendi get the access to itself in the staff ketua cabang and the staff keamanan and the global access in the bank kita. Next to the slide 6.
Create certificate. The syntax you must to the certificate is use your database name and create certificate, your certificate name, and encryption by password, your password. With subject, certificate, subject, your name, and expire date, date time. For example, create certificate Bankita. Bankita is my database. With subject, certificate for manager Dendi. Dendi is the manager Bankita 2, and expire date 1 January 2025. The expire date you can choose yourself. I chose this is because this is mine. Backup database so that the data Mac is not lost. Then we backup. The syntax is backup database, your database name, or declare database name var to your location with differential general with option. For example, backup database Bankita to disk C the folder temp Bankita to back with checksum backup log currency exchange to disk C the folder temp Bankita to log.
Okay. Okay. Maybe that's it for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.